Hello, my name is Christopher Lyman, and I'm with ExpertVillage.com, and today we're going to talk about cleaning a window. I want to tell you the tools you're going to need in order to do that. The first thing, the most important thing you're going to need is a squeegee. And if you have a high-end squeegee, you can get different blades. This is a standard 12-inch blade we're going to be using today. And then the next thing you're going to need is I call this a sponge. It's called a wand. This is really helpful. This is what you're going to use to get the window wet. The best stuff you can use for washing a window, despite what you might have heard, is dishwashing detergent. And I like Lemon Joy, any type of work. Although I've heard if you use antibacterial dishwashing fluid, it will leave streaks on your window. And I've just avoided antibacterial. The other thing we want is steel wool. And if you look here, ultra fine steel wool, quadruple lot. This is to take off, steel wool works great to take off handprints, greasy handprints or anything else that is hard to get off like paint. And you need to use steel wool if you have tempered glass, because if you try to use a razor blade, you'll scratch your glass. So this comes important, and I'll show you that later in a later video. Since it's 20 degrees outside, normally we just wash with water and dishwashing fluid. But since it's 20 degrees outside, we're going to be using some windshield fluid wash and de-icer. This won't freeze on the glass when we go out to try to wash the window. And then we'll be washing some windows in. These little towels work great. Just any towels or rags that you might have will work awesome. And then if you're doing inside work and you have wood or carpet you want to protect, I just grab an old towel and I throw it down underneath my window, and those work great for that. Again, this is Christopher with ExpertVillage.com. Thank you.